gotta treat me right, baby, day by day. Get out your little prayer book, get on your knees and pray. You're gonna need me, you're gonna need my sweet love someday. Yeah, you're gonna be sorry you treated me this way. Sail on, little girl, sail on. Sail on, sail on, sail on, little girl, sail on. Well, you got to keep on sailing till you lose your happy home. Tell us all about it, Katie. Going down. Well, good evening. Don't that sun look good going down? Don't that army cot look lonesome when your lover's not around? Well, I tried everything, baby, to get along with you. Now I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna stop my crying. I'm gonna leave you alone. And if you don't think I'm leaving, Big Mama, just count the days I'm gone. You ain't gonna see me. You ain't gonna see my sweet face no more. Keep going. Let's go around. you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna stop my crying, gonna leave you alone. And if you don't think I'm leaving, Big Mama, just count the days I'm gone. You ain't gonna see my sweet face no more. Yeah, you're gonna be sorry you treated me this way.
I'm gonna make you do it till you get it right. You know, so I had this dog. One of the first dogs my wife and I had. Let's hear it from my wife, Heidi, by the way. Heidi, where is she? I don't know where she is. Heidi Designs. She does all of our promotion, all of that great artwork, all that stuff you see. That's Heidi Designs. Sponsors this thing. Clarity Marketing Support also sponsors it. That's me. I'm a fractional chief marketing officer, if you give a shit. But we had our first dog was named Levi. You know, and I always think of that dog every time I hear that song. And at the end, he says, Levi. Now, what the heck is he? What is he? Why does he say that? Nobody knows. It's a mystery.
I think somebody knows. I don't know.
Someone probably knows. He feels good about his jeans. I really love these jeans.
You know, I listened to that song my whole life, and it wasn't until I started playing with Johnny Nicholas that I didn't realize Robert Johnson wrote that song originally. Is that right? Am I right or wrong here? The lyrics are a little different. He talks about the cow having blue milk, which I think is kind of badass. It's pretty cool. It's a cool version.
Milk.
I don't know. Some of these old songs, it's hard to know where exactly they came from, but they're older than Bob. Bob Wills was great about taking some of those old tunes and making them Western swing.
Well, you know, actually,
I know.
I can't remember which